Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the battery on your HP 15DA, you'll need some essential tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. If you're unfamiliar with these steps or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's locate the battery. Flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will see several screws securing the panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place for later use. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Once the cover is off, you'll expose the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery. It's typically a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. There may be additional screws holding the battery in place. Remove these screws carefully. If you find it challenging to access the battery, don't hesitate to seek help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home. Next, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector out without forcing it. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional clips or connectors. At this point, if you don't have the necessary tools, remember, no calls, no trouble, just let us handle it for you. With the old battery removed, it's time to clean the internal area. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust and debris. This step is vital for maintaining your laptop's performance and longevity. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any movement during usage. Before reassembling the bottom cover, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose screws or components inside. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair if you choose to let us handle it. Finally, align the bottom cover back onto the laptop, pressing down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws to secure the panel. Now, flip your laptop back over and plug it in. Press the power button to ensure that your new battery is functioning correctly. If the laptop does not power on, don't worry, our professional team is just a call away to assist you further. Remember, replacing the battery on your HP 15DA is a straightforward process with the right tools and care. Happy computing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.